My name is Surbhi Sharma. I have done my graduation BBA LLB honors in IPR from National University, Odisha. I am a pass out of 2015 batch. Post that, I got selected for a campus recruitment in Pangaea. I worked there from 2015 to 2016. Thereafter, I got a chance to work for a cybersecurity company called Lucidius. So I was the first legal person to be onboarded. So I was in a way their sole legal counsel, in-house counsel. So I got that chance at a very early stage in my career to head a company single-handedly. Post that, I worked for Lucidist two and a half years. And then after that, I joined this company called Ginnar Soft. They have their brands such as Car Dekho, Bike Dekho, Battery Dekho. So I am part of the in-house legal team. So we are a 5-member legal team, and we are working for that company as of now. As I mentioned, I've done my specialization in IPR, and I was a student of BBLLB. So I did not get my hands very nicely on the corporate law front of it. And the second company which I worked was a startup. So being the single person and in the startup was a dual uh, obligation on me, because I had to be aware of each and everything, which I thought I was not very much aware in the law school, which obviously comes via experience. So I thought of nourishing my concepts and also learning the entrepreneurship around the laws around the entrepreneurship to help me gain better understanding and to lead a role like that. My major learning which helped me was from the modules which I could uh, recollect at the head of my mind. At the top of my mind is data privacy. So yes, the module on data privacy helped me a lot, because coincidentally, the day I read about that module, 2 days later, I had my interview, and I was asked questions around the data privacy since the PDP law is coming, and many Indonesia, Thailand, so all the Asian countries have also come up with their privacy law recently, being GDPR the main law. So yes, so at the top of my mind, I do remember GDPR and learning about that and answering questions in my interview, which got me through the through my third company. So yes, it helped me a lot, recollecting the concepts, clearing out the concepts, because the modules were very in a very easy to understand language. If we sometimes not able to decipher the nuances of the Bear Act when we read the core Bear Act. So yes, the modules helped a lot, and also the assignments. Yes, they did help a lot. I would so let's say I was working on something. I was working on a share purchase agreement, and I had maybe difficulties uh, with certain clauses. So what I used to do was I used to first check the modules, the downloads, the assignments, and wherein I could capture few things, and gaining that understanding, I would rather research further on Google or different platforms to gain my knowledge over it. So yes, the courses, the modules were a stepping stone for me to even do the research on Google. क्योंकि कई बार ऐसा होता है कि हमको नहीं पता होता कि सर्च क्या करना है, keywords क्या डालना है. So that the modules helped me a lot in that. Was absolutely tremendous. Uh, so I somehow was lacking in my assignments, to be very honest, And thanks to you, Priyanka, and everyone in the team for pushing me to do my assignments and learn more. And I am doing it. I'm trying my best to do it. So yes, I've gathered, received a lot of support from the team. I've spoken with Ramanuj sir also on different occasions, and he has also helped me deciding my initial career path. I once spoke with him before joining the course, and he suggested me to join it. So yes, everyone in the team has helped me a lot. लॉ स्कूल में हम सब नहीं सीखते हैं. लॉ स्कूल में अगर सीख भी लिया तो वो ब्रश अप नहीं होते हमारे कॉन्सेप्ट्स, क्योंकि नॉट एवरीवन वर्क्स ऑन ईच फील्ड. सो जैसे आज मैं मान लो डेटा प्राइवेसी में काम कर रही हूँ, तो आई माइट forget about concepts of IPR or something nuances of IPR. So doing these courses keeps us in the domain कि क्या करना है, कैसे ब्रश अप होते रहते हैं हमारे कॉन्सेप्ट्स. सो यस, एनीवन who is in the legal profession, I would suggest them to do this course. चाहे आप कोई भी position दो, and the LawSikho website has different courses for people for different positions. So yes, everyone, even someone who is not in the legal profession but is aware of laws or has curiosity, has interest in it, can do so. क्योंकि ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ लॉ वाले बंदे को ही समझ आएगा, सबको समझ आता है. इसलिए the modules are so easy to understand.